only 1 penny. All right, music. Where's Buckwheat? Yeah, he is. Play, Professor. Do your stuff now. Tickets! 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 Step right up and buy your ticket. Don't crowd. There's plenty of seats inside.
How do we know it's worth a penny?
Why, the idea. Some people pay as much as 10 cents to see Romeo and Juliet.
That don't prove nothing.
Well, I'll tell you what I'll do. If you like the show, you pay as you come out.
You mean pay as we exit?
Yeah, pay as you exit. That's our slogan.
Okay, we'll take a chance. Come on, kids.
On the